when a businessman met a fisherman.
Good morning. What beautiful tuna. How long did it take to catch them?
Oh, about 2 hours.
Only 2 hours. Amazing. Why didn't you fish for longer and catch more?
I didn't want to fish for longer. With this, I have enough fish for my family.
But what do you do with the rest of your day?
I have a long lunch, play with my children, watch football, and take a siesta with my wife. Sometimes in the evenings I walk to the village to see my friends. I play the guitar and sing some songs.
Really? That's all you do? Look, I'm a very successful businessman. I went to Harvard University and I studied business. I can help you. Fish for 4 hours every day and sell the extra fish you catch.
But
Then you can buy a bigger boat, catch more, and earn more money. And then buy a second boat, a third, and so on until you have a big fleet of fishing boats. And you can export the fish and leave this village and move to Mexico City or LA or New York and start a fishing business.
Okay. But how long will all this take?
Let me think. Probably about 15 to 20 years.
15 to 20 years? And then what, senor?
Why, that's the best part. You can sell your business and become very rich. A millionaire.
A millionaire? Really? But what do I do with all the money?
Well, let me think. I know, you can stop work and move to a lovely old fishing village where you can have long lunches, play with your grandchildren, watch football, take a siesta with your wife, and walk to the village in the evenings where you can play the guitar and sing with your friends all you want.
Well,
Papa, did you catch many fish?
I got enough for us today and tomorrow, and also some for this gentleman. Please, senor, have some of my beautiful fish. Goodbye, senor. Come on, children, let's go home to Mama.
To Mama.